most people, packing your own lunch means messy plastic containers and unappetizing food. That's why we developed the all-new Core Food Container by Iconic. Core is a segmented stainless steel insulated food container that combines into a single, easy-to-carry unit. Our unique, modular insulated design lets you pack your favorite hot and cold dishes side by side and keeps food fresh for hours. The contoured handle makes it easy. Just grab and go. Core's ultra-efficient insulation keeps cold foods cold and hot foods hot for hours and is completely free of BPAs. You can store a piping hot stir-fry alongside your favorite salad. A handy fold-out spork is stored in the base. Enjoy your lunch as fresh as the moment you packed it. Plastic containers may contain harmful chemicals that can seep into your food. Over time, your food loses freshness and requires refrigeration and reheating. Core is 100% BPA-free, durable, and easy to clean. Your food stays fresh for when you want to eat it. To make the Core Food Container as affordable as possible, we are asking for your help. Back us today and receive discounted pricing, plus VIP priority delivery. Enjoy a safer and fresher packed meal with the Core by Iconic.
The Vienna cheese board from Picnic at Ascot was designed in the USA. It's a beautiful, high-quality bamboo board for cheese, appetizers and crackers, and makes a great centerpiece when entertaining friends and family. The Vienna is a bamboo board that amazingly transforms from a wedge to a circular, multi-level cheese board with 3 stainless steel cheese knives in a pull-out drawer. Closed for storage, the Vienna measures 9.5 inches radius and 3 inches high. It opens to a 17-inch diameter. This unique original design never fails to impress and makes a great hostess gift.
At OXO, we know that keeping your cereal fresh and accessible for the whole family can be a challenge. Our OXO countertop cereal dispenser will keep your counters clean and your cereal easy to reach. Conveniently store and dispense your favorite cereal with the OXO countertop cereal dispenser. The chute design opening won't crush cereal as it's dispensed, and the spring-loaded, non-slip levers allow for controlled, one-handed dispensing. The levers are on either side of the dispenser to accommodate right-handed and left-handed users. 2 silicone seals on the canister lid keep the cereal fresh, while the removable tray keeps countertops clean. The BPA-free, large-capacity container locks into place and can be removed for easy cleaning. The countertop cereal dispenser holds up to 5.5 quarts of cereal, granola, oatmeal, or your favorite snack, and is sized to fit neatly on countertops.